Onions are among the most common ingredients in any recipe, whether you're making salads, burgers, pizzas, or casseroles. Aside from the subtle sweetness and rich umami flavor they add to your plate, it seems like not many people are aware of the benefits you can get by eating onions regularly. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe for future contents. Now let's take a look at all that happens when you eat onions every day. Number 1, you get your daily dose of nutrients. Onions are incredibly rich in nutrients, minerals, and fiber. These nutrients include vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells and boost your immune system. Furthermore, they contain vitamin B, including folate and pyridoxine, which increase metabolism and the production of red blood cells. Among the 25 different varieties of antioxidants is potassium. While the daily intake for a healthy adult is around 3,500 to 4,700 milligrams of potassium, very few people worldwide fulfill this intake. Potassium is required to regulate fluid balance, lower blood pressure and water retention, and stimulate kidney function in our bodies. Therefore, eating onions every day will help you fulfill your daily intake of potassium and protect you against dangerous diseases. Number 2, your bones become healthier and stronger. The U.S. Department of Agriculture states that a single onion contains 25.3 milligrams of calcium, almost 1/4 of the daily recommended intake for adults. Calcium is essential for maintaining the bone mass necessary to support your skeleton. The more calcium you intake, the stronger your bones will get. This will reduce your chances of getting bone diseases such as osteoporosis as you get older. This was proven by a study that observed that middle-aged, postmenopausal women who drank 100 milliliters of onion juice daily for 8 weeks benefited from improved bone mineral density. A similar study uncovered that women who ate onions at least once a day had a 5% greater bone density than those who ate them once a month or even less. Number 3, you'll lower your chances of developing cancer. Allium vegetables such as onions have also been proven to lead to a lower risk of developing certain cancers. The nutrients contained in onions such as onion A sulfur compound, and ficedin and quercetin, vital antioxidants, reduce the development of tumors and slow the spread of lung and ovarian cancer in the body. A study in 2019 by the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Oncology compared people with colorectal cancer with those who didn't. The study found that the risk of developing this cancer was 79% lower in those people who regularly ate vegetables such as onions. Number 4, you'll improve your cardiovascular health. The flavonoid antioxidants present in onions also reduce the bad LDL cholesterol in the body. Quercetin, in particular, fights inflammation and high blood pressure. This prevents blood clots from developing in your arteries and reduces the risk of developing cardiovascular diseases, having heart attacks, or strokes. This is backed up by a research group that analyzed 70 overweight people with high blood pressure. The study revealed that consuming 162 milligrams of quercetin-rich onion extract daily significantly lowered the participants' blood pressure. Number 5, the quality of your skin and hair will improve. We have more good news for you. Onions are rich sources of vitamin A, C, and K, nutrients that help eliminate skin inflammation and protect you from dangerous UV rays that may damage your skin. Onions also trigger the production of collagen, which helps to lessen wrinkles and strengthen your hair follicles, giving your skin and hair a fresher look. The bottom line is, onions are incredibly beneficial for your health. The best part is, they're an astonishingly versatile vegetable. You can add them to just about any dish you make. If you make eating onions daily a habit, your future self is bound to thank you. Also smash the like and subscribe for more contents.